Hi, this is Ryan from Wham's Middle School. I'm going to be showing how to use the testfor command. So first, this is like the basic command, testfor, no like spaces, and then you're going to use the brackets, and R is going to be the radius or the amount of blocks, and you're going to use equal to say 10 blocks, 30 blocks, 40 blocks, 1 billion trillion gazillion blocks. And then, so you could also actually use this for a lot of things. So not just that, but it can actually be really helpful. So if I were to do /test for Ryan S brackets R equals 10, close brackets. So I could use that. I could go like this, get a compare, okay, and then I could go like this, and I could put another command block here and say /tp Ryan S 4481. All right, I'll just 4481 427. So I could use that because when I do pressure plates, it sees, or you could also do @player, actually, to be more exact. @player, and then here. So this could be any old player, any old person. And I could use that because if I were to go here, it'll find players, and so if 7 people go on this pressure plate right now, TP all of those 7 players to that exact spot. So that is really cool in that way. And then not only can it be used like that, see, it's like that, but you could also use it for tripwire. So if I were to get a tripwire hook, and if I were to go like this, oh wait, I have to get a block. Okay, so if I were to get that, I could go like this, like that, like that, like that. Lines up good. Yeah, no, okay, there we go. So if I were to go like this, I could go like, so that gives off a redstone signal, correct? So I can get some redstone, some good redstone. Right, so when that happens, that redstone goes, so what I can use is I could use a /test for @a R equals, I don't know, like 80, whatever, doesn't really matter. So now, even if I'm not the person who walked through this, it'll still, I'm going to show you, so it'll still affect other people within that 80 blocks. So you could be, so here, let me show you. You could be /kill. So this will kill everybody in the radius. So if I'm like out of the 80 block, like I could just be like chilling, like what's up, and then while one person falls to the, let's say there's 5 people going to the trap, 4 people are smart, and then but one person is maybe not smart, maybe not smart, but just went choked. They should die. And I'll go into game mode. Survival. Kill. Oh wait, sorry. Sorry. I'm gonna have to redo this. Slash. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's permanently. Ugh. Okay. Maybe. Okay. That is weird. Okay, here. Oh my god. Okay, I'll go like this. I think it should work like that. Alright. Slash kill at A. If I were to go like this, I would walk here, and there we go. Now, this will do anyone within that 80 block radius. If you're out of that 80 block radius, it actually will not kill you. So, once again, if 5 people are smart, maybe the other person is still smart, but they mess up, it'll kill you. Just like that. And then, this can also not just be used for that, it could also be used for a lot of other things, like giving off. So if I were to, like, I could use slash testfor player, player, like, I don't know, slash player, or slash testfor player r equals 80, and then if I were to say give them, slash give at player, or at A, or whatever, you can, it'll give them that item. You could say slash give command block or something. And then it could also not just do that, it could do like it could do players, like entities. It's not just that. So yeah, all entities, random player, nearest player, self, all players, and it could be very useful for that. And there are a lot of possibilities for testfor command blocks. I kind of just gave you the sort of, not necessarily raw minimum, but like kind of what you can do like that. And yeah, all you have to do is just have a lever, a pressure plate, button, tripwire hook, just to set it off somehow, and it'll really do whatever you want. It can spawn a mob, it can really just do that, but it can be good in the way that, now what makes it different from just a command block, it says spawn mob. Mob is the fact that, or spawn zombie is the fact that if I were to do a redstone, here, do I have it? If I were to do like a bunch of completely ticked, what's it called? Repeaters, and like they're all completely ticked, and it would like take 10 minutes. I could click the button, right? That would give off the signal, right? And then so I could give it off, right? But then run away, go out of the 80 block radius. So this can also be like used for a run map. Like you can start the map, see if you can run away from death quick enough, and if you run far enough, you can like break. You can like TP here. You could TP underground and destroy the redstone signal, which is actually really cool like that. And you live, and it could be used for a lot of other mini games like that. And that's about it. Not for the testfor command block. There's a lot of possibilities for this video. So thank you, and so thank you and goodbye.